Hi there. Let's clean the Intel Me region from a dump file with the Telegram bot. Inspecting the dump file with Me Analyzer. It is looking that the file is initialized. Can we clean the Intel Me region with the Telegram bot? Let's try. Type /help to see all the commands and prefixes that is need for the bot. In our case, we're dealing with a dump file that it need to be clean on Intel Me region. So the meclean_ prefix is important to do in the next step. Renaming the file or saving the file named with the meclean_ in front is the right way to do. Okay, now we are very close. Let's send the file renamed with the right prefix to the bot. Since the file is over 20 megabytes, we need to archive and send it. No worries. The bot knows to unpack the archive and continuing the process. Now we're dealing with a large file and the process is a little bit slowly. The internet speed is important to upload and download. Let's wait a little. Good. The bot responds with one zip file. Let's download and see what is inside. The archive contained two files. One is a TXT file with the information regarding the Me clean process, the detection of the Me family, version and revision, the image used for build, and the fit version used to build the image. The second file is the Me clean build file. Let's save the file and do a quick inspection by comparison with the Me Analyzer tool. Perfect. The file is configured and ready to flash with Programmer. What do you think about this whole process? Let me know in the comment section. Goodbye, and see you until next time.